How to analyze your TransUnion and Equifax reports separately. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you are on the dashboard, you will find credit reports from both TransUnion and Equifax. To analyze your TransUnion report separately, click on the TransUnion report link. Carefully review the key details such as your personal information, account history, credit inquiries, and public records. Look for any errors, outdated information, or unfamiliar accounts that could affect your credit score. After thoroughly checking your TransUnion report, go back to the credit report section and select Equifax report. Similarly, review your Equifax report for accuracy. Compare it with your TransUnion report to spot differences between the two. If you find any errors or suspicious activity on either report, consider disputing them directly through Credit Karma or the respective credit bureau's website. Now you know how to analyze your TransUnion and Equifax credit reports separately. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.